There's a time and a place where you turn and touch my face each morning as you awaken. I wanna stay right here. 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 I wanna hold you near. I wanna stay right here. I wanna stay right here. I wanna stay right here. I wanna stay right.
Sorry, I got cut off there. I was just wishing you the best over there. You know, everything's all good. Looking forward to maybe going back to Oz, try and make my way down to Melbourne for a bit as well, see my cousins, and if it's along the way, come catch up with you or something. Otherwise, if you're ever thinking of coming to Tokyo or Thailand, yeah, hit me up. Cool, love you, bro. Take care, bye.